know how to pack all this. I have not packed a single thing in my room. My room just literally exploded. Today is shopping day for the apartment. Right now we're just getting basic necessities that I don't have. So let's go.
Please begin scanning. Jesus, what is that?
This is cute. Oh my god, that is so soft. Hello. Yes, we're starting laying down because I'm just gonna admit it, I do not want to start packing. I'm moving in a week and I have not packed a single thing in my room, and here's why I am in denial. I'll give you my tips and tricks of what I've been doing to pack. So basically, to kind of outline what's going on, I have a bunch of boxes downstairs that have kitchen supplies, and those are all packed away, but I might need to go through them to see what is in each box because I don't know if we labeled it. And then in my room, I just need to pack all my clothes and decorations. I'm not taking any of the furniture, and I can leave stuff here too, so I don't need to pack away my whole life. So we're gonna do the easy stuff and get some of the things in the drawers first. Let's get started. This we are worrying about last, and here's why. For college, what I did was I took all my hangers and I mashed them together with a little tie, and then I put all my clothes in a bag, so that way I could keep it on the hanger, and then once I got to my place I could just put it into the closet. That's why we're not touching the closet. That way you don't need to get rid of all these hangers and you don't need to pack them away and then put all the clothes back on. If you're leaving things in your closet, do it the way I'm telling you because we don't have time for that. So first tip, we're gonna take as many suitcases as we can and shove as many clothes as we can into them. Look at that, 3 duffel bags. Look at that! Oh my god. And now one drawer is basically empty. And this one. This is weird. Welcome to my basement. So right now my mom and I are going to go through all the boxes and they're basically everywhere, so this should be fun. Terrible. Look, there's a pillow. Should I bring these?
Oh, si quieres.
I didn't even
Para
know.
decoración, si quieres venir con ella.
Here's the progress. So these are all like random glasses. This is kind of all random, but we have a list going right there. And all of this right here, believe it or not, is placemats because we need this money. Pretty. Oh yeah. Mom, I got a rain stick. I forgot. this? We are back in my room. I have not packed anything since that last clip that you saw, just like those 2-3 drawers. My whole room is basically still all intact, and it's bad because I'm moving in 3 days. Before we get into all the packing, I will just talk to you guys really quick about how I'm feeling, because I think that's important to talk about, because a lot of people don't explain feeling stressed or scared or nervous about moving. I feel like everyone's always just like, yeah, I moved, I'm so happy. But the reality is there's also stress and nervousness and anxiety involved. That's what I'll talk about right now. But basically, I'm okay. Like, I'm totally fine. I'm just feeling very overwhelmed some days. For example, I ordered a bunch of things to be shipped to the apartment, like my bed and my mattress and all that stuff. And technically I was supposed to move in on Monday, on the 1st, but since I was working, I'm like, I'm not gonna do that. I'll just wait till the weekend. And my mattress is arriving on Friday. And like, I'm not gonna be there till Saturday, so it's like, why did that have to happen? So right now I'm just kind of nervous because I need someone to go pick it up, or at least put it in the building. And I texted my landlord to ask him if he would kindly do so, and he just left me on red. So we're already off to a great start with my relationship with the landlord. So yeah, just little things like that that are stressing me out. And then I guess also just making sure I have everything. It's so hard to know. I have a list going of what I have, what I've bought already with my roommate, and I'm not sure if we're probably missing stuff. We most likely are missing stuff. You don't realize how much goes into living somewhere. It's little things like that that are stressing me out, realizing that there's a lot more needed than I thought. Like, just to show you, here's my list of all these random things, and then things that have already gotten to the apartment. Okay, I have 4 duffel bags packed with basically all my clothes, except for the ones that are in the closet that I'd already told you. Anyway, now I need to start packing like my creams, my makeup stuff, all the stuff I need to get ready, and there's a lot. So I don't think I'm going to take all of it because I obviously don't use all of it. Let me show you. This, and this are all drawers full of just like supplies, and obviously I don't use all of them, so I need to kind of sort through and figure out what do I want. So I think I need a basket or something, right? Okay, update. I got some bins from downstairs. Pro tip, if you have any bins from college that you were using, now is the time to go get them again. Because these are the ones I used in college, so I'm gonna use these. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out basically everything and lay it out on the ground, and then choose from there what I actually use and what I don't. So just take out everything, because you never know. There's things in your drawers that you probably don't use and will never use, so why are you gonna take it? Let's start doing this. Can someone please tell me, why do I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different lotions? Why do I have 10 different lotions? I really don't know. This mess is overwhelming me. Okay, I did it. So this is all the stuff that I'm leaving behind for now. And this is everything I'm bringing, and I swear to God, it looks like I didn't really cut down on anything, but I did. I really did. And I feel like I'm taking a lot of stuff, but you know, I have attachment issues, so.
Oh my God! What is that?
Why is my desk such a huge mess? That rhymed. I'm getting overwhelmed. I don't know how to pack all this. I thought I was almost done and my room just literally exploded. sorry if this quality is terrible, but I'm using my phone right now. I'm at the U-Haul place picking up a truck. I'm waiting for my dad to get the truck because I'm not gonna drive it. Like, that's overwhelming. And my stomach is like turning. Like, I don't know why I feel so nervous, as if I'm not leaving till tomorrow morning. But I guess like just seeing the U-Haul truck and seeing how it's all becoming a reality is just making me so nervous. I feel like throwing up. Like, that's how like nervous I feel, you know? I didn't really vlog the past couple times that I've been packing up my room and everything, just because I kind of wanted to have those moments for myself, and I can talk about it a little bit later. Oh, I don't know, it's such a weird feeling. I don't know how to explain how I feel right now. Like, just seeing the freaking U-Haul truck, you know, like when you just get triggered by something, like that's how I feel right now. Just like it's hitting me, I guess. And I think something else that also just is overwhelming right now is we hired movers to help us just move the stuff from the truck into the apartment, and they canceled. So now we need to figure that out too, and it's just, I don't know. Like, everything was going great, but now it's just like these like little issues. So I just figured I'd update you guys. Today was my last day at home. It's nighttime. It's like 1 a.m. So in a few hours I will be leaving. I haven't vlogged the past few days that like I've been packing and stuff, just because I feel like it was getting kind of the same. Yeah, sorry if I'm talking weird. I have retainers in. Today felt like the longest day of my entire life. I've been really stressed, and it's not that I didn't want to show it on camera. I don't really mind showing it on camera, but there's just some moments that I want to keep to myself. I feel like I'm not taking much, but I am. Like, you saw the U-Haul truck. It's literally full. It didn't really hit me until I saw the U-Haul truck, and then just like packing up my stuff made me start crying. Then my neighbors wrote me like a really nice card, and that made me start crying. I mean, I'll still be back. I'll still come back home, and I actually already have to come back home in a month anyway, so it's not like I'm never gonna come back. If I had moved to another place right after college, it wouldn't have been as hard as it is now, because I have literally been home for an exact year. I came home a year ago today from college, a day early, to start off my spring break early, and I never went back. And I've been home ever since. So it's been exactly 1 year, which is crazy. I really appreciate this year. I'm happy I got to spend it with my family. I guess like that's what makes it hard, because I got so used to it again. This is my little spiel for people who are moving and you feel overwhelmed and stressed and confused, because I feel the exact same way. Moving is a really drastic and scary change. There's a lot more independence that comes with it. Obviously, it's not like you're in college. Everything's gonna be fine in the end. But I also think like you should allow yourself to feel these emotions, because one chapter is closing and another one is beginning. So it makes me kind of annoyed that no one really talks about feeling overwhelmed or stressed when they move. Like, everyone's just so excited. And yeah, it's fine to be excited about it, but I think it also just comes with some sadness, because you're closing a big chapter of your life, you know? And I don't know, maybe I'm very sensitive or whatever, but we're growing up and it's gonna be a fun time. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Very hectic, weird video. Comment down below if you are moving soon too, or if you have moved, how you felt, to show we're not alone, because we need to start being more transparent and saying things that aren't okay and showing that you're not okay. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Moving videos are coming, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!